Set handler. So is window help just the base one then? Window base. Okay, we need to make our own window. Okay, so window help, we're going to replace with window identify pop-up. But be very careful what's getting changed here. Yep. Nope. This is going to be a window selectable. Not going to set, you know what, this is maybe better anyway. It means we can be a bit more flexible with what we have here. So when it's window selectable here, we probably want selectable there. Not sure if this is what they want, but we'll see if it breaks or not. And then we'll change it from being a help window to a pop-up window. And does that actually want... Does that take a rect or not? Yeah, okay, let's just see if that's helped at all. Oh. Now there's a little funky thing here, which I don't know what that's about, but it does seem to be working. Um, so is that something that I've done that's causing that to happen? So we'll try select last. I don't know if that will help or make it worse. Okay. Let's just see. I've no idea what that little thing is. Scroll indicator, visual info. There are more selectable items. Alright, let's say window selectable. Ah, here we are. Cursor fixed. What are these? Let's see what the fixed fixed cursor stuff is. Cursor visible. Hmm. Is cursor movable? Now we can try set cursor fixed. I don't know what this is though, so maybe it means this is actually moving. Hmm. Deselect or fix the cursor. We can, we can try deselecting. Nope, no good. There's no draw cursor. Draw cursor rect. There is no draw cursor. Set cursor rect. Um, Maybe it's the draw order. Maybe it's already drawn it by the time I'm trying to tell it to do stuff. Is there anything else before window selectable that I could check? It's of type Windows scrollable, right? So maybe it's something in here. Update arrows. Down arrow visible. Down arrow visible. That seems a bit hacky, but if it's what we have to do, it's still there. What is this thing? Is my window too small? Is that what it is? Um, uh, there is no draw cursor rect. It's gonna tell me, oh, you're right. Yeah, well done. Ah, I don't think this is true. I don't think it understands. It's not the little outline box that's the problem. It's the arrow on the screen. So like this is a cursor, the little flashing box. That's an arrow for the scrollable window. Oh yeah. Inside refresh. I can do that. And then hopefully that overwrites whatever it was doing before. Oh, come on. Or maybe it's insane, insane. Because, you know what? I'm starting to think it's because something hasn't been initialized properly. When we create from Windows selectable, we must be doing something wrong here. Object.create window selectable. Right. Initialize does this. that's for a command. I don't think we need that for a command for this window. What other window selectable? We probably need this in the refresh. We can pop this out for now. Let's see. Come on. The arrow was still there. Insane. Insane that the arrow's still there. Maybe the window's just too small. Um, what's the calculate window height? Fitting height? Oh. Ah, we're saying it's false for selectable, but it is selectable, which means that we weren't given it enough space. Ah. Which made it think there was another item in the menu, or in the selectable window. There we go. Now I do think I can probably get rid of the stuff here. Yep, okay. Should probably play a sound effect when identifying. Okay, in scene item, I will add create pop-up window. Yeah, we'll leave this in scene item. Even the shop is scene item, so this should be okay. We'll rip these out since it's going to be usable by all these scenes and pop it down in its own thing here. So any of these scenes can use create pop-up window, and that handles this and this. Create pop-up window is there. Create pop-up window and create pop-up window. Now we just need to handle it in each of the different parts. This needs to be a function probably. Identify data dot create pop-up text, and we will pass in just this item. So here, when we click on OK, we will say that. And on OK, we will refresh those and do that. And we can't do that yet. We have to overwrite the item here. So this will be shop identify. So instead of just closing the scene, we want to do this instead. So it's funny that we've created our own method in scene item, and in one of our custom scenes, we need to overwrite it to change the behavior. Oh yeah, I've not created the function to create the pop-up text. So right now I'll just return identified item name, but this will be configurable. So first with the book, identify Dragon Blade, and it goes away. Cool. Dragon Blade has been identified. Now by magic, we will do that. Falchion. There is. And then by the store, hard leather. Oh, we need to make the window go away again. Other than that, it's looking pretty good. So notepad, parameter to change the pop-up text. Add MP back when cancelling a skill identification. Right, make a pop-up is done. So what was that? The shop one. Oh yeah. We also want to this dot pop-up window dot hide. So we go boom, and then it'll go away. There. What's this? 153. Wasn't expecting an error here. Oh, I've got a feeling this is because we're refreshing before we set the text. So the item window refreshes and then the item becomes null. So that probably comes after. either there or maybe even well after we've processed the pop-up closing. Let's see. Hold on, let's do it again. So this should be full potion, and then magic water. Let's do it the other way around just to make sure. Magic water, and then it selects the last, and then we go full potion. Lovely. So add MP back, right?